Are you ready to uncover the secrets to earning extra cash from the comfort of your own home? Forget the tired tales of YouTubers flaunting their extravagant earnings today. We're diving into practical methods that anyone can use, regardless of your social media following. But before we delve into the details, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips. Enter Moomoo, your gateway to financial opportunity. What sets Moomoo apart? For starters, their deposit bonus is a game changer. With just a $100 deposit, you're pocketing $50 worth of the Magnificent 7 stocks. That's a 50% return on investment right off the bat. Plus, if you use my referral link, you'll snag an extra couple of shares, sweetening the deal. But Moomoo isn't just about one-time perks. It's a long-term companion for your financial aspirations. Why Moomoo over other platforms? Simple. They offer perks that traditional banks can't match. Think a juicy 5.1% interest on all cash held, and nifty in-app points that translate into vouchers for discounted stock purchases. With Moomoo, every dollar works harder for you. Just look at my account, over $6,000 of bonuses and deposits, all thanks to Moomoo's generosity. So whether you're eyeing that dream crack house or plotting your next investment move, Moomoo has your back, ready to level up your investment game. Let's talk about seizing those golden opportunities beyond just dipping your toes in the water. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just looking to snag some sweet deals, it's time to explore the world of broker promotions. Weibo, Plink, Sophie, Schwab. These aren't just random names. They're gateways to potential riches. Take Weibo, for example. With their current promo, you could snag 3 free shares for a mere penny deposit. Talk about a steal. And Plink, they'll match your deposit up to $75 if you leave it untouched for 30 days. It's like doubling your money without lifting a finger. But the real gem, Sophie's offer: deposit $10 and walk away with $25 worth of S&P stock. Now that's what I call a return on investment. But let's not forget about Schwab's starter kit: deposit $50 and watch as they shower you with $11 in fractional shares of blue-chip stocks. It's like hitting the jackpot without even trying. And hey, if you're worried about your credit score taking a hit, fear not, these promotions won't leave a dent. Now let's talk about selling blood plasma. It's a method that's often overlooked, but it can bring in as much as $800 a month. Imagine getting paid for simply sitting in a chair for 30 to 60 minutes while your blood plasma gets extracted. It's a win-win. You get paid, and your plasma goes on to help manufacture life-saving drugs. Now I know what you're thinking: is it safe? Absolutely. There's evidence suggesting it might even have health benefits. And don't worry about the process, it's straightforward. Just find a plasma center near you, make an appointment, and start raking in the cash. But here's the kicker: this method is only available in the US. If you're elsewhere, let me know, and I'll keep you posted on any updates. So if you're looking for a top-tier money-making strategy, selling plasma should be at the top of your list. Let's talk about another lucrative opportunity: bank churning. It's like credit card churning, but with banks. Simply open a bank account, fulfill their requirements, and boom, you get a cash bonus. It's easy money, folks. And if you're worried about meeting the direct deposit requirement, don't sweat it, there are ways around it. From updating your payroll to setting up a business bank account, there are options aplenty. So, if you've got some cash to spare and want to make it work for you, bank churning is a no-brainer. Well, now shift to dumpster diving. When you visit some dive spots, expect to struck gold, literally. From a restaurant renovation, you can salvage a hefty haul of communication wire, a treasure trove worth around $30. And that's just the beginning. With just 2 dumpsters, you can find aluminum to copper. Each find added weight to your haul. Sure, it takes effort, but with the right approach, targeting dumpsters near construction sites and a bit of patience, dumpster diving can turn into a profitable side hustle. Just ask Discord members like Swift Eye and Saberman, who've turned scrap metal into cold, hard cash. So, if you're willing to roll up your sleeves and get a little dirty, dumpster diving might just be your ticket to unexpected riches. Let's get into AI-generated art. While some may doubt its potential, AI art has carved its niche in the digital landscape, with platforms like Planet A amassing significant followings. Inspired by this trend, I ventured into the realm of AI artistry, launching a TikTok page showcasing my creations. Although the engagement hasn't soared yet, with just 6 followers and a modest view count, I'm optimistic about its potential. The beauty of AI-generated content lies not only in its ease of creation, but also in its potential for monetization. While the earnings may not be staggering, there's room for growth through avenues like affiliate links and sponsorships. However, it's worth noting that the AI art scene is saturated, with creators outnumbering viewers. To stand out, you'll need to push the boundaries of creativity and innovation. Let's take a look at product testing, where your feedback can earn you some extra cash or gift cards. Companies often seek feedback from their target audience before launching new products, and you can get paid to participate in these tests. Some of the rewards you can get are $210 in Amazon gift cards and an additional $25 via PayPal. One avenue you can explore is Product Report Card, a platform where you can sign up for various product testing opportunities. All you need to do is to create a new profile and wait for companies to reach out to you to test products. Overall, product testing can be a decent way to earn rewards, but it's not without its challenges, especially when it involves actually using and testing the products. While the rewards are solid, it may not always compete with top-tier methods due to the additional burden it carries. However, platforms like Product Report Card and user interviews offer legitimate opportunities for earning extra cash or gift cards, making it worth considering if you have the time and inclination. If you're interested in trying it out, be sure to sign up for tests that offer at least $60 per hour, and consider using referral links for additional bonuses. Counter gambling is a method where you flip the script on online casinos to your advantage, earning significant rewards without risking your own money. However, before diving in, it's crucial to acknowledge a few caveats. If you have a history of gambling addiction or lack self-control, it's best to steer clear. Additionally, some states have restrictions on online casinos, and you'll need to complete a Know Your Customer KYC process for each casino, which involves submitting identification. The basic strategy involves logging into various online casinos daily to claim their free chips or sweepstakes coins, which are typically offered as a compliance measure with gaming laws. By accumulating these daily rewards, you can gradually build up your stash without any financial investment. Once you reach the minimum withdrawal threshold, usually around $10 for gift cards or $50 to $100 for cash, you can redeem your earnings. While this method may seem straightforward, it can yield significant returns over time, providing a steady stream of free money. However, it's essential to exercise restraint and stick to the plan, avoiding the temptation to chase big wins. This method alone could potentially fund all your freeloader ambitions, making it a top-tier strategy worth considering. Counter-gambling stands out as a lucrative strategy within the realm of freeloading, offering a pathway to substantial earnings without the need for any initial financial investment. The premise is simple. Leverage the promotional offers and sweepstakes coins provided by online casinos to accumulate wealth systematically. However, it's essential to proceed with caution and adhere to a few critical caveats. Firstly, if you have a history of gambling addiction or exhibit tendencies towards addictive behaviors, it's advisable to avoid this method altogether. Likewise, individuals residing in states with strict regulations on online gambling may find their options limited, as certain platforms may not operate in these regions. Additionally, each casino typically requires users to complete a Know Your Customer KYC process, which involves submitting identification documents, ensuring compliance with legal requirements. As we wrap up this deep dive into the world of freeloading, I have a question for you. Which method resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, if you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all our new content. Thanks for watching, and until next time. So hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to turn your creative visions into reality. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and never stop dreaming big. See you in the next video.